Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. I know it's been a while since I've been doing consistent Amazon merch videos, but guys, in honor of the fact that I started my Amazon merch account Q4 of last year, I'm going to revamp my videos and go through this process with you guys. So I do want to say big congratulations to me. I did start last year in tier 25 and I am in tier 500. That's not that many tier ups and I've missed a lot of them for whatever reason. And it might be a result of my return rate or something like that. So I do have to go ahead and say I will be posting a video a week at the least about Amazon and merch. So because all of my slots are completely filled, I am going to start deleting designs, and I will show you guys the best way to do these things and what niches I'm going to start targeting for this Q4. So my goal this Q4 is not only to get tiered up again, but also to make maximum sales, because Q4 is a great sales quarter. Now, one thing I did want to point out, guys, my previous month on Amazon merch, I had 88 sales, and that I think is for me probably the all-time high in a month. And I honestly have to say that is due to the fact that I targeted those arrest Fauci, anti-Fauci, defund Fauci niches. Now, those have kind of been trickling and lowering down, but so last month I would see days where I made 6 sales, and most of them were within that that niche. So yes, I've started moving a little bit out of the crypto niches and out of the arrest Fauci or anti-Fauci niches, and now I will start targeting not only Halloween but upcoming events, Christmas, etc. I will show you guys some great tools that I've learned and some little hacks that I've learned into making the process a lot more simple for me, as last year, probably on a day just like this, September 27th, I was sitting here with Ryan taking tutorials with you guys. And so now I feel like I can do all this stuff myself. I have no problem doing it. Ryan won't stop texting me, by the way. That's the ding. So I'm super excited to keep moving this forward. The only problem is I have to figure out a way or a system, and I'm begging Ryan to create a program that can do this, of unpublishing designs and being able to track which designs you've unpublished, and that way you can organize your folders accordingly. That way when you get tiered up, you can streamline some of those designs back on the platform. Now that does not exist yet, but I know Ryan is working with people and trying to figure out if it's even a possibility. I'm crossing my fingers for it because I know it exists in Etsy. Even though I don't have to work with tiers in Etsy, I do like being able to see what I deactivate or unpublish, and it doesn't hold one of my slots. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be back later to show you guys this cool little way I found of getting a lot of free PNGs, especially coming up towards the holiday season, using very limited amounts of money. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure to click the like, the subscribe button. Comment below how your last year has gone on this merch journey. Like I said, overall, the all-time, which is basically from when I started, I have 500 sales, and so I'm not doing too bad. Hoping to keep pushing forward and expanding and expanding. There has been a little lull since all my slots were filled, but I am ready for this Q4, guys, and so stick in there with me. Join this little program. We are all fighting in it together, and make sure, again, click that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one.